How to name a group text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any group chat from here as shown. Here, tap on the group name at the top. On this page, tap on Change Name and Photo. You can now enter a new group name from here. You can also add in a group profile photo or an emoji as well if you want. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Tap on Done again. Following these steps, you can easily name a group text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.